Hey, hello friends. Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP Lake Support. Today we will see that the client are business real-time scenarios. Okay, so it's relevant to order to process only. First, order will be created, then delivery will be done. Delivery will be created. Okay, so coming to here, once delivery is created, saved, in the delivery, no picking, no PGI, nothing will happen in the delivery. Simply, delivery will be created. When outbound delivery number will be generated. Okay, once that is done, then from this delivery, one IDAC output will be triggered. Okay, outbound IDAC will be triggered with a message type SHP ORD. Ship order confirmation. So this IDAC will be triggered and sent to the warehouse. So remember that the delivery of that goods to the end customer happens from the warehouse only here, right? That's why we are sharing this information to the warehouse. So this IDAC SHPORD message type IDAC will contain the information about delivery number, what's that item, material number, how many items are there in the delivery, what's the quantity for that each and every item, and the ship to customer details will be there in the delivery document. I mean in that IDAC, outbound IDAC. So this information will be shared to that vendor in the warehouse. Then so then the delivery, sorry, picking PGI and delivery of goods will be done. So picking PGI delivery of the goods will be done from warehouse itself. So once these three activities has been completed, then from warehouse we will receive some confirmation. Okay, so inbound IDOC will be received to SAP system for this delivery. So again here message type is SHP CON, ship confirmation. This ship order confirmation and this ship confirmation. So again we'll get one more incoming IDOC. Okay, so once we receive this incoming IDOC, then system will try to do picking and PGI automatically in this delivery. So with help of this incoming IDOC SHPCON only, picking and PGI will takes place. So it has to be done through this incoming IDOC only. Without confirmation from that warehouse department, we can't do the picking PGI manually, right? So this is the flow that I am going to discuss now. Okay, I have one picture which will be easy for you to understand. Right, so if you see here, picking PGI and delivery will be executed from warehouse. This one example 1, example 2, example 3. Let's take one example now. So for this example, picking PGI and delivery executed, right? Then that will be shared along with LSP, logistics service provider, and file that file will be stored in the SFTP server. Remember this SFTP server. So SFTP stands for secured file transfer protocol. If you guys remember in our previous business scenarios, we discussed about IBM Sterling. So IBM Sterling is the tool which will be act like a directory where we can keep the files. From that Sterling folders, the vendor or the customer can pick up the required data. Similar way, same thing to Sterling, we have one more thing called SFTP, Secured File Transfer Protocol. So either any one of these we can use it. So in this project currently we are using this SFTP only, right? So that file will be stored in SFTP. From that SFTP, okay, from SFTP, and you remember last Sunday we discussed about CPI, right? That is Cloud Platform Integration. So the CPI will pick up the file from this SFTP server, and it will process that file and send those converted data SAP understandable format. It will convert the data and share that to our SAP system, and it will become an incoming IDAC here. So CPI as part of BTP integration suite only, right? So CPI is the middleware here, and SFTP also middleware here. SFTP used to keep the files. Then CPI will pick up the file. Then IDAC will come to our system. Then it will do PGA and all everything. Till this scenario will be completed. So to make you aware of the CPI only, last Sunday I discussed about this interface, this integration tool. Earlier and all in my previous projects and all, we used only the middleware, either TIPCO, PI, PO only. But here we are using the cloud-based integration platform, that is CPI. Okay, this is one of the business real-time scenario. So the delivery picking PG will happens from the warehouse itself. Once warehouse will do this activity, then they will share some confirmation to us. Based on the confirmation in the delivery, picking PGA will completed. Once that is done, then obviously if the customer's POD relevant, we will do the POD. If not, then we can directly go for creation of the custom invoice, F2 invoice. Fine. Hope this video will be very helpful to you friends. We can catch up in the next video.